Today's all about low-cal but big taste.
Perfectly cooked tuna steaks with this amazing Mediterranean sauce.
It's gorgeous, healthy, and off the charts yummy.
It's so good, and it's good for ya.
What could be better than that? I mean, you guys, that is the best. It's good for ya. Okay, let's get started. Let's start making this delicious Mediterranean sauce. I've got a medium skillet here. I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can do extra virgin. And I've got 1 medium onion here that I have diced.
Wonderful.
And, I'm going to start to saute this. So,
wonderful. 2 delicious tuna steaks here. These are fresh, fresh, fresh. Do you want me to salt and pepper these now, or should I wait?
You can. Okay. The great thing, we're cooking fish, so this comes together very quickly, so that's wonderful.
So
these are about 5-ounce fillets. I just got them from our supermarket. This is so good that, you know, when you're looking for fish like this, you know, make sure it smells good, make sure it looks fresh. I think these were probably already frozen. I know, that's a crime. But it's okay. It's okay. If you're you can sometimes get tuna steaks that are like really, really big, and so you're going to want to cook them a little bit longer. We're going to cook these to where they're medium rare to medium, more on the medium rare, so you don't want to overcook your tuna. Okay, so now you see this has gotten soft and kind of translucent. Now I've got 3 to 4 cloves of garlic that I've minced, and we're just going to let that saute until it's nice and aromatic. So, you know, so many people love the Mediterranean diet, and doing what we do for a living, there comes those times of the year where like we need to do something. We need to drop a few pounds or more. And I think we've all been there, haven't we? Yes, we have. So we always come back to this Mediterranean. It's not necessarily, I don't know, I don't have like a Mediterranean guideline. It's just using these fresh ingredients.
Right.
So like right now, these are just some fresh, these are whole tomatoes, canned whole tomatoes that I drained for the most part, and then I gave them a rough chop. Now I've got some fresh herbs. That's always wonderful and delicious and adds to the flavor, doesn't add to calories. That is a 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley that I've chopped. This is 2 tablespoons of fresh basil that I have chopped, and then we're gonna add some just good old black olives.
Yeah, throw it in there.
A cup of black olives. And we're
going to wait on those capers.
We've got some capers over there. I'm going to put those in right
those are my favorite.
Me too, right at the last
minute. We have another really good Mediterranean dish. There you go. I was just holding that for you.
Thank you.
It's our snapper. Oh, it is so good, y'all.
Yes, it's delicious. Okay, so we've got a number of seafood dishes that we love. So we're going to let this only cooks for about 10 minutes. We just want it to reduce down just a little bit. And then we're going to cook up those tunas, and then it's time to eat.
Look at that.
That is so good. So we let that simmer literally 10 minutes. It just, you'll see it just starts to reduce a little bit, and it's perfect. So
this is good on chicken. This is good on
it's good by itself.
Other fish. Yeah, and just just a little bread.
It's so good. It's so good. And it's really good on tuna steaks. Okay, speaking of which, I've got, I switched, I got another larger skillet. These are non-stick. If you want to do this all in one skillet, you can. I would recommend taking that out, put it in another bowl before you add it back in, or you can just push it to the side and cook it. But I find it easier doing it in a second skillet.
Yeah, you need some room for those steaks.
Yeah, and normally this recipe easily you can use 4 tuna steaks.
Your fingers,
but I'll wash them. So we're only going to be using 2, okay? And I'm going to be using my fingers here, but I will be cleaning them. And
because they're just going to sit there for a little bit.
These cook very, very quickly. So depending on the heat of your skillet, I've got this over medium heat. I've got
I can see
2 tablespoons of olive oil that are in there, and it literally only depends on how cooked you like it, how rare or not quite as rare you like it. Generally, it's going to be about 2 minutes per side for medium rare. And I would say a minute and a half to 2 minutes. And as Wesley, go ahead and say what you were saying earlier.
As you can see, it starts to cook, and you can see it up the side there. So we like to leave a little pink in the middle.
Yeah. When you flip it, it'll do that on the other side. So we've got about a minute and a half to 2 minutes, and then we're going to flip it, let it go the same amount of time, and then they're done, and then we bring it all together. Okay, so now these are good. They're still just slightly pink in the center. What I'm gonna do, we got this oil that we cooked this in, and I don't want all of that oil.
Look at that.
So I'm just gonna absorb this. Some of it's okay, but we're trying to be healthy. We don't need excess oil. So anyway, so now we're just gonna add this in. That looked beautiful.
Gorgeous.
The flavor is just so great. So now what we're gonna do is just kind of let that reheat a little bit, and we're gonna add these capers in here. And I am telling you guys,
I don't mind my tuna. Sorry, go ahead.
You don't what?
I don't mind my tuna a little more done. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say
that's
it.
okay. It's okay. You don't want it.
Don't hate me.
You don't want it well done. Okay, I'm gonna plate you now.
Okay, come on over here.
Oh, you want me to? Oh, I see what you wanted me to do. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is like restaurant quality.
There
so now,
just put it on there.
Sometimes what we'll do, I didn't do this, just do a little bit of it, but
that's okay. It's all gonna go.
I think it's beautiful like this. I love to serve it like this, with that sort of just bathed in it, and then serve. You've got extra. Like I said, this typically serves 4, so you're gonna have plenty of sauce left over if you're only doing 2.
Chris,
I know.
I'm dying.
My mouth is salivating.
I'm dying. Okay.
Dieting never tasted
and it's
so good.
so fast. Too.
It is. It's so fast.
Like I wasn't even ready.
I know. Which is why these are going to be a little overcooked.
Oh, stop! All right, I'm going to actually just dig right in, go into the middle
All
to
those
see
capers.
how cooked we got it.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, Chris, that's perfect.
Yeah.
I love that. Y'all, look at that. There's that nice.
That's
pinkness.
like medium. It's medium.
I love it that way.
Yeah, I like them. I like them kind of medium rare, but that's okay. Or even rare.
Oh, I love this. I'm
Dying.
I'm salivating
I know.
already.
The smell itself.
Oh, I got me a big chunk. There we go.
Okay, I gotta get an olive in there. Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Ready. Are we ready?
I'm more than ready.
Oh. That's perfect.
Wow. Who needs a steak when you got a tuna steak? That's heavenly.
That is so good, y'all.
I feel like we're sitting on the shores of the Mediterranean down in Nice. Ain't that nice?
That's nice down there. You guys, I'm telling you, this is exactly the way I like my tuna cooked. Thank you.
So we did it about 2.5 minutes per side. And they're cooked like that. This sauce is literally to die for. It's not fishy tasting.
I'm dying. It's so good.
Are you? Do you have something to say?
That is 100,000% Loon approved.
Yes!
I absolutely love this.
I do too. I do too.
And it's good for you.
It is. It's healthy. So you guys, we hope you're having a great start of the new year. This is when we're filming it. Well, you know, everyone has their resolutions to eat healthy. This is a great start to that.
We got a couple more coming to you.
We got more coming your way. All right, we love you guys so much.
Yay.
Bye.
Eat some tuna.
Tuna.